But guys, let me start by saying thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and for engaging my content. You guys are the best. And for the first time viewers, it's Esther here, and you're welcome to Edtech Simplified, where I talk about everything technology for education. I simplify everything technology for education. In this video, I'm going to be talking about one thing, and that is how can you engage your students using technology. You can engage your students using technology in different ways, right? But just one thing that I want to talk about today, just one tool that you can use to engage your students that would cost you absolutely nothing, and that is YouTube. Yep, I'm sure you were not expecting that. Okay, back to the serious matter. So you can engage your students using YouTube, but how? How can you censor what they watch on YouTube? You know, we are trying to reduce screen time, and here I am saying you should engage your students with YouTube and all that. You can engage your students with good content by sharing playlists with them. What do I mean? On your YouTube, you curate content. This means that you yourself need to do a lot of research before you share anything with your student. You definitely need to watch, right? You go on YouTube, or you come on YouTube rather, and you take a look at content that are of great value, and content that are actually accurate, if not 100%, to an extent. The facts are checked and they're good to go, right? So what you do is to create this content and create a playlist. How do you create a playlist, and where do you create a playlist? You can create a playlist on your laptop or on your mobile phone or your desktop, anywhere basically. Anywhere that you have access to YouTube, you're able to create a playlist. You can add as many content or videos as possible to your playlist, and then you share it with your student. Now, why do I say this would engage your students? So instead of watching idle stuff on YouTube, you're actually consciously and intentionally filling that time they're gonna use to watch other stuff, to watch something that would add value to them. In your absence, of course. So it's like you are using extra time without using extra time. What you just need is, you can't teach them everything, right? You cannot teach them everything in class. So you create content that would actually teach them, more about the particular topic, and then they're able to learn from it. The truth is, at times it's more interesting to learn on YouTube than to learn inside the classroom. This is also another way of maximizing the flipped classroom method. Now that you know that you can engage your students using YouTube playlists, make sure you do it. The truth is, you can even engage anyone with YouTube playlist. It could be a lover. I didn't say that. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. It's been super fun so far, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, I still thank you for subscribing, because I know you will subscribe now. See you in the next video. Bye.